In this second harder titrations calculations video, I'm going to look at how you can work out the percentage by mass of a chemical in a solid. So there's the question. If you want to pause the video, have a go at that and then play on when you're ready for the answers. Okay, so go through the answers now. As I always do, I've got a diagram here sort of outlining the process. So starts with 5.68 grams of the toilet cleaner. Remember, the active ingredient is the sodium hydrogen sulfate. So that's been dissolved in a little bit of water. It's gone into a volumetric flask, 250 cm cubed, made up to the mark obviously, and then that goes into the burette. It's titrated against that 25 cm cubed sodium hydroxide, concentration 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed, and the titra, so the volume of sodium hydrogen sulfate needed for reaction is 23.1 cm cubed. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is work out the moles of sodium hydroxide used in the titration because we know the concentration and the volume. So concentration 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed, volume 25 cm cubed, but it has to be in dm cubed. So we've got that many moles of sodium hydroxide. The moles of sodium hydrogen sulfate, therefore, that's in this 23.1 cm cubed titer, it's going to be the same because there's the mole ratio there, 1 to 1. Okay, so the third thing we're going to do is we need to work out how many moles of sodium hydrogen sulfate were in the volumetric flask and hence in that 5.68 gram sample of toilet cleaner. So we need to scale this up. The moles in here, we need to scale up to the moles in there. So the way we do that is we divide these moles here by that titer of 23.1. So that'll tell us how many moles are in 1 cubic centimetre. If we multiply by 250, we'll get the moles in there. So that comes out at 0.0271 to 3 significant figures. Obviously, I'm keeping the full number in the calculator. So now we know that there were 0.0271 moles of sodium hydrogen sulfate in this solid. So we'll work out how many grams that is by multiplying by the MR of NaHSO4. Okay, so that comes out at 3.25 grams to 3 significant figures. So of that 5.68 grams, 3.25 grams is sodium hydrogen sulfate. So all we need to do is put the 3.25 over the 5.68 and multiply by 100. And that comes out at 57.2% to 3 significant figures. So if you notice in the information at the start, it says the toilet cleaner is believed to have been contaminated, contains less than the stated 75% biomass of sodium hydrogen sulfate. So we've just shown that that is actually the case.